So I'm just here to give you an update on my checkered flowers pattern. This is a design by Sasha Kagan from 1989. It is a cropped but oversized cardigan with a scoop neckline. I really love this pattern. I'm going to insert a photo from the original pattern so you can see. I love the way this looks. I think it's so cute, but I wanted to choose some flower designs that I felt really allowed the colors, the more vibrant colors that I ended up going up with to shine through. And so I looked through some old cross stitch books that I have, some of these needlecraft books that I have, and I looked online and found some designs that I really liked. And so I took some inspiration from there. And I'm not super jazzed about how they all look together. So I'm a fiber artist. I really enjoy, I'm more of a project maker than I am a finished object maker. I'm more interested in the process. I don't necessarily need to finish the thing, which is why you'll find me starting things and not finishing them. I'm getting joy from the process more than I do from finishing the item, which is something I need to work on because I have a lot of whips in progress right now. But anyway, so I'm just not super happy with how they've turned out. I do like this butterfly stitch here. I love these French knots here. I think they're gorgeous. I wish I had a lavender yarn because I feel like this would really shine through and look like lavender and be beautiful. But all the other ones, I'm just not super happy with how they've turned out and how they look together, I should say. I think individually they look great, but together, I don't know. I think I need to go back to the drawing board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these flowers off, and I've done that before. I'll also insert a photo of different iteration of this because I have added flowers and taken them off in the past. This has been done for months, and the body of the sweater has been done for months, and I've just been tinkering with the flowers and going back to the drawing board and finding ideas. But basically, I'm not happy with how the flowers look together right now. So my plan is to remove them, to block this, and then to come back with something that is more similar to this because I think the French knots look great. I love the texture that it adds. I think it makes the color really pop. And I think that having this makes the flatter flowers look pretty dull in comparison. So yeah, I think I'm going to focus more on texture in this next iteration, but that is my update on the sweater. If you were curious, it is finished, the body of the sweater, and now I'm just trying to figure out what the heck I want with these flowers. There are a lot of squares on this sweater, so I didn't want to move forward until I was totally satisfied with the flower patterns that I had chosen because this is a lot to that's a lot of work to do for something that you don't love, you know? You know what I mean?